Are you tired of struggling with complicated design software? Do you wish you could create stunning graphics without breaking the bank? If so, this video is for you. Today, I'm excited to share how you can unleash your creativity with a free 30-day trial of Kittl. Imagine having access to professional quality design tools, templates, and typography all at your fingertips. Sound great? Let's dive in. Kittl is a revolutionary design platform that caters to everyone, from beginners to experienced designers. With its user-friendly drag-and-drop editor and extensive template library, creating eye-catching graphics has never been easier. Plus, during this trial period, you can explore all premium features without spending a dime. To grab your free trial, simply visit the link in the description below, sign up, and use the code KittleAffiliate. You'll gain instant access to everything Kittl has to offer. Check out our free guide for more details, and let's get started creating amazing designs together. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and follow for more. Happy designing!